Well, went out this morning and got a few abs. So I got some black lip and a couple of nice green lip actually, which is quite nice. So yeah, went out this morning, running tide, but now I'm just going to quickly clean a couple of them up, and that'll be dinner tonight. So as you see, big ass green lip. So try and get as much salt and sand off them as you can. Of course, when collecting abs, you need to have an ab implement, but also that doubles. It's a good way of popping them out of their shell, so just like that. So that's popped out. Hands in there. I just like to pop my fingers in, get rid of the gut will come all the way out like that. That's your big ass shell. Quite a pretty shell. So then you're just left with the gut, and just sometimes if you do it right, it comes out in one go. Come away in your house, get started here. Now, also, it's a good idea because of what's going on with abalone at the moment. There's a lot of viruses around the place and stuff like that. Try to clean them in the area where you get them. Because the virus is around, try not to transport them anywhere at the moment. Then you've just got this little, this is the mouth, gut, little V in there. Some people don't remove this. I do. That leaves you pretty much with your cleaned ab. Now, next bit. Shopping bag's handy for this. This one here. In here. Get that juices out of there, so don't worry where. Tenderizer. In this case, I did a great big mallet. This is exactly what I want to happen. Juices going everywhere. Anyway. And a lot of people bash the hell out of them. No need to. Just get them. So just see they split like that. That I find is enough. And that, and you can trim all this off if you want. Depends how wasteful you want to be. I tend not to. So yeah, so that's it. Put them in the bucket to rinse off. And that is a green lip abalone, cleaned. So yeah, well, it's pretty much exactly, well, it is exactly the same with the black lip, which I've got here. Is here. Definitely want all the sand and everything out of them. Once again, you find it's like the rounded edge, but then you find the sharp edge of the shell. It just pops out like that. And these ones I just toss in there, and then all the gut stays in. That's a better way. Look at the difference in size between, like, this is a little 13 centimetre ab compared to that big bugger. I don't know what he was. Once again, that's all cleaned up. Cut a little V in. Remove the mouth and other bits. Leaves you with your that back in there for a bit of tenderising. Once again, a couple of hits until they just split. More.